Alright people, today I'm going to be teaching you about having a business mentality and how to become successful at what you want to achieve. The steps are very simple and easy to do and understand, so watch through the whole video to gain valuable knowledge. Make sure to subscribe and like if you want more videos like this. Okay, welcome to the Money Roads channel. This most likely is going to be my first video, so let me tell you a bit more about this channel and myself. This channel is based around how to make money online, whether it's passive income or based on good business models and business ideas. Other videos you can find on this channel would be about having the right mentality for business, what steps you could take to change the way you think, how to become more successful at what you do, and all sorts of tutorials on how to make money online. You can also find videos on specific tools and programs that you can use to make you money online or to achieve specific goals that you're targeting. You can find all the information in my videos, plus written tutorials, free items, specific tools and programs, and much more on my website, which is moneyroads.com. I'll put a link in the description. It might be a little empty right now, but in the future it will be filled with some awesome stuff, so check it out. So I'll talk a little bit about me. I'm a student of business. I've been into business for a very long time. I remember starting up my own little business back when I was maybe 5 or 7 years old. I used to go around to garage sales and pick up hockey cards and sell it at school in little tiny packs. I didn't make a lot of money back then, but it was still pretty fun. I've been successful at achieving some of my goals so far, but I have many goals that I have yet to achieve. But yeah, I remember a time where I was struggling to make money and struggling to achieve the goals that I was aiming for. But then I decided to change my lifestyle and started achieving those goals that I set out for myself and started making good money with the methods that I will be teaching you in videos to come. Alright, let's get into the meat of this video. You want to know how to have a business mentality, how to become successful in what you do and achieve. The first thing you have to do is start investing in yourself. Take the time to read up on what you want to achieve and what you want to accomplish. Take the time to read up on trends, what's happening in the business world, what's going on around you, different ways to be successful and to make your time worth it. Don't be afraid of spending a few bucks on books or ebooks, specific programs or tools that could help guide you on your path to becoming successful. And if you don't have that type of money yet, you could find free content such as this video or blogs, programs, and tutorials. The second thing you need to do is to develop good habits. Things like being organized, having your day planned, and scheduling what you need to do. Having good habits such as these allows your mind to be free and allows ideas to flow in easily and efficiently. This will guide you onto the right path of making good business decisions and achieving your goals. The third one is understanding who you are, and this is a very important one. Knowing who you are and what you want is the first step to becoming successful. If we're talking about materialistic wants, I'm not the type of person that would want huge mansion, multiple cars, maybe a Lamborghini. I'm the type that's okay with a nice house or maybe a BMW because that's what makes me happy. I could grind and grind to get that mansion or the Lamborghini, but would that make me happier? Probably not. That's why you need to understand what you want and who you are and what you want to achieve. The fourth thing is setting goals for yourself. You need to set goals for yourself that are challenging but yet attainable at the same time. These goals should be challenging you to think about them, to work on them, and to actually achieve them. And once you're done that goal, you move on to the next one, and then the next one, until you finish and are happy with what you've accomplished. And lastly, leave some time for yourself and your thoughts. Ideas don't just appear by themselves. They are influenced by our everyday lives and aren't apparent unless if you take them out of your head. So I suggest taking at least 1 hour out of your day to just get away from any sort of technology, your computer, your phone, your music, and grab a pen and paper, write down whatever comes into your head, whether it's ideas about business, whether it's things that you want to accomplish, things you want to do, and just write them down. Hopefully this video has helped you out. These tips are very easy to do, but will make a huge impact on your life, so definitely try them out. Hit the subscribe button and make sure to like the video. I'll definitely be back with more videos like this and videos on making money, tools, and different programs. Thanks for watching. There will be a few links in the description below. Links to my website, to my social media, and possibly a few more.